Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook page with Impact. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Facebook page so that when you apply for brand partnerships, these brands can see your Facebook page. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Impact account. Next, you're going to click on these three dots on the bottom left-hand corner, then click on Settings. Once you open up Settings, you want to scroll down to where it says Media Properties. Click on Media Properties, and then you want to click on Create Media Property on the upper right-hand corner. Next, click on Social, and then click on Facebook. Once you click on Facebook, it is going to prompt you to request access and connect both Facebook with Impact. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Facebook with your Impact account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.